ब्रह्मांड भ्रमिते कौन? भाग्यवान जीव गुरु कृष्ण कृपा से पाए भक्ति लता बीज अचिन. This word is there, bhagyavan. Fortunate. What is that fortune? That is significant. That is significant. That means he never appears before everybody. Nam prakasa sarvasya yogomaya samapruta mudayam navijanati. He says in Bhagavad Gita, I never manifest myself before everybody and everywhere. I am covered up with my Yogamaya potency. But he manifests as Bhagyavan Jiva. Do you follow my word? Brahmanda Bhamiti Kon Bhagyavan Jiva, a fortunate soul. Who is he? Who is crying? Who is crying for him? Do you follow Mr. Peter? Who is crying for him in the heart? That Bhagyavan. Guru Krishna Kripa, Tepa Bhakti Rasa. That means two Kripas there. Krishna Kripa and Guru Kripa. Do you understand? Krishna's mercy and Guru's mercy. That means first is Krishna's mercy. Krishna's mercy, by the mercy of Krishna, you get Guru. Then by the mercy of Guru, you get Krishna. Do you understand? Mr. Peter, yes. Guru Krishna Kripa Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bija. That is it. And it is all discussed in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Rupa Shiksha. When Mahaprabhu is teaching Rupa Goswami, he has said that thing, isn't it? Brahmanda Bhamite Kon Bhagyavana Jiva Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bija. Is Guru Prasad or Krishna Prasad? Guru Kripa, Krishna Kripa. Guru's mercy and Krishna's mercy. What is Krishna's mercy? What is Guru's mercy? That is to be understood. What is Krishna's mercy? Krishna's mercy is to see Guru, to get Guru. And Guru's mercy is to get Krishna. Tate Krishna bhaje kare Guru sevan maya dala chute bhai Krishna charana. Tate Krishna bhaje kare Guru sevan maya dala chute bhai Krishna charana. Then he, Guru's sevan, he serves that vidhi pranipatena pariprasna. That comes up. He serves Guru, then by the mercy of Guru, he gets Krishna. He surrenders and gets Krishna. Maya completely becomes free from clutches of Maya. That is mercy of Guru. You get Krishna. And mercy of Krishna, you get Guru. Do you understand? Without mercy of Krishna, you cannot get Guru. If you try to find by your strength, yes, I will see, I will find out, I will test, measure. I have a measuring rod in my hand like goldsmith has stone. You will be cheated, Mr. Peter. You will be cheated, completely cheated. Do you understand? Krishna understands. So Mr. Peter wants such thing. Then Krishna says, Maya, you supply him a guru, a cheater. You will get such thing. Do you understand, Mr. Peter? Yes. Those who want like this, Krishna tells Maya, Maya, he wants a cheater. So give him a cheater. That's Maya's arrangement. You'll get a cheater, not teacher. But when you really cry for Krishna only, oh Krishna, how can I understand you? How can I have you? Please help me. Always crying. Then Krishna says, oh, crying for me. Then Krishna will appear. Within, he will appear without. You understand? Assuming a body. That is good. Then, this lot, that I quoted that verse. Namatma pravacana labdhana medhayana bhuna suten jamavaisavunte tena labhyastasya atma vibrunte tanuswam. He assumes a body and appears without. That is good. That is good. Therefore we say Guru is the bona fide representative of Krishna. who has come to give you Krishna. কৃষ্ণ যে তোমার কৃষ্ণ দিতে পার, তোমার শকতি আছে। আমি যে কাঙ্গাল, কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি ধান তো পাচ্ছে পাচ্ছে বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর। ও বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর, Krishna belongs to you. Because you are bound of Krishna in your heart, in the rope of love. Yes. So you can give me Krishna. I am Kangal, being devoid of Krishna, being bereft of Krishna. I want Krishna. Do you understand? Therefore, to run behind such Vaishnava Thakur, please give me Krishna, please give me Krishna. As a penniless person runs behind a wealthy person, please give me 1 penny, 1 penny. Baba, ek paisa dao, Baba, ek paisa dao. Huh? Do you follow Mr. Peter? Huh? Follow my language? Huh?
You say if one tries to search out a guru with his own measuring rod, then he'll be cheated. Maya will give him
Cheater.
A cheater.
Yes.
So then at what point does the prospective disciple understand that this is Guru sent by Krishna, not Guru sent by...
Guru sent by Krishna, not Guru sent by Maya.
At what point is that revealed to him?
One who cries only before Krishna. Nobody can understand you. You say always you are covered up with Yogamaya potency. Huh? So how I am conditioned soul, how can I understand you? Huh? Please help me. I want you. I want to serve you. I am your servant. Huh?